The dagger, yes, the dagger on the king. It's called Kum Abrempɔn. It's fixed on the Mpomponsuo sword whenever the king doesn't wear it on his chest. In this era, it's only symbolic, but, there is an interesting history behind the dagger on the king. The Asanti King only uses it during certain occasions, mostly royal funerals. It's his immediate weapon given to him by Okomfo Anokye as a talisman for physical defense. There was a Bantama chief who was pushing for a preemptive attack on an enemy, but the king never gave the green light even after pushing so hard to go to war. Out of frustration, he attempted assassinating the king, but his move was unsuccessful. Subsequently, all Bantama chiefs are disarmed before meeting Asantehene in public or in closet. Moreover, Asantehene was given a dagger to carry in his cloth. Kumasi so kokro u nanso Bantama nepanin. Translated as Kumasi is a very big city, however, Bantama is the eldest. Bantama is among the oldest towns in Kumasi, a carefully planned suburb where 95% of their structures are all-story buildings. The layout is matchless. Now let's get into history. The Bantama stool, which is a Asanteheene stool and head of country division, was purposely instituted for war and the defense of Asanti Kingdom. Thus, every occupant of Bantama stool is the chief war marshal of Asante. The Bantama stool was first created for Bafu Amankwacha I, the leader of the troops who guarded Osei Tutu I from Akwamu to Kwamang. In your view, is Bantamahene Bafur Osei Bonsu in his war regalia at his palace around 1915. Oral history has it that the creation and subsequent consecration of the golden stool during the days of Osei Tutu I happened at a place called Pimpimso, a spot within the premises of the present Uadarra Army Barracks at Bantama. History source has it that the early settlers of the place known today as Bantama couldn't bring their sisters to bear nephews to succeed them. Therefore they practiced patrilineal succession through the children they had after settling in Kwamang, or present-day Kumasi. However, it's a known fact that the Dagambas practice patrilineal system of inheritance. A Dagormba phrase, imbatimar, corrupted into Bantama, factually means, my father has given me here. The stool of Bantama, created by the Asantehene Osei Tutu I for one of his most loyal servants, is an appointive office known as Mama Jua, and not one vested in a matrilineage. So, unlike most Akan or Asante inheritance practice, which is strictly matrilineal, Bantama and Adum stools are of patrilineal inheritance. Similar history about patrilineal inheritance is told anytime you mention another Kumasi suburb called Adum. This video serves as a symbolic spectacle to remind us of our history. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more history.